Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Back up all documents and OneDrive synced folders before you remove Office. This prevents accidental data loss during removal. Note your Office edition like 2016, 2019, or Microsoft 365 before starting. Close Word, Excel, Outlook, and other Office apps before the uninstall. Open Task Manager and end any Office-related processes to avoid file locks. Stop the Office click-to-run service temporarily by finding it in Services. These preparations make the uninstall clean and reduce follow-up troubleshooting steps. Open Windows Settings or Control Panel and choose Apps or Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft Office Click-to-Run or your Office Suite entry and select Uninstall. If the normal uninstall fails, download and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant Removal tool. The tool automates removal for stubborn Office installations and supports multiple versions. As an advanced option, run an elevated command, prompt, and execute the Office removal setup with force parameters. Running as administrator helps remove protected files and service entries cleanly. After uninstall, open File Explorer and delete leftover folders such as C/program files /Microsoft Office. Also remove C/program data /Microsoft and user app data Office folders to clear cached files. If you are comfortable, open Registry Editor and remove keys under HKLM /software /Microsoft /click to run carefully. Export any registry keys first to create a backup before editing. Finally, restart Windows to finalize the removal and release locked resources. After reboot, confirm no Office processes remain and reinstall a fresh Office if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.